All right, I got the WELLOCKS 290 piece screw set. Who doesn't need wood screws? I need a ton of them around here. I use them for everything. Usually the wrong thing, but I use them all the time, hanging pictures, just all kinds of stuff around the house. Great to have a nice kit like this for when you need them. These are sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I can show them to you, but all opinions are my own. And this one comes in many different sizes. We got 2-inch screws, 1.5-inch screws, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, all kinds of stuff in here. This kit comes in a nice plastic box right here. Obviously, it's got a little hanger on there if you want to hang it up in your garage or your workshop. Little kit just opens up. We got 2-inch number 10s right here. Number 6, 1.5 inch. Number 6, 3/4 inch. Number 8, 3/4 inch. We got number 8, 1.5 inch. Number 8. We got a bunch of wood screws in here. You always need wood screws. I do anyway. According to the literature, these are made from 10B21 carbon steel. Let's get going. Let's screw one of these into some wood. See if we can get the old Black & Decker out and see how it does. You want to make sure you got the right tip on there so you don't strip them out. But let's see how this works. Easy enough. My drill's not the strongest thing in the world. 2 inch. Let's get the 1.5 going. Just having fun. Another one. More screws. Anyway, this screwing real easy. As long as you're using the right tip on here, you're not going to strip anything out. I didn't even come close to stripping any of these out. These are nice Phillips head screws with flat tops on them. All right, now they got these in here. Let's back them out, make sure they don't strip out. One, and put them back in my kit. 2, little 2-incher. Start to 1, it's a 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and the little guy. Anyway, if you're looking for an affordable wood screw kit for your house or shop, your garage, whatever, your basement, this one comes in a nice plastic case you can hang on the wall or stack and store if you want. It's got 290 pieces, all different sizes, ranging from a 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 inches. If you're in the market for a kit, check out the WELLOCKS 290 piece screw kit. Check it out.